maybe a little bit of a different video today. Michael, today I'm looking out because I got this rope out the window that's just like dangling back and forth. Yeah, so we've got people here working on the roof, and they are more than halfway done. I got a fun little rope there as well, hanging out. So they're putting on a metal roof today. So hopefully either by the end of this video or the beginning of the next one, I'll be able to show that off. But our goal today, and I've only got a few hours, our goal today is to get this replacement window into this hole. We got pieces here we're gonna take out to start with. So we'll start on that. Probably only gonna get to one today because it's gonna be a bit of an abbreviated day because I got a late start and I need to wrap up probably by noon. So we're gonna do what we can today, and hopefully in the end I don't end up having to cut this piece of plywood to go over this hole. So yeah, fingers crossed. Who knows, if it goes well, we might get to other things today. And by other things, I mean more windows, but we'll wait and see what happens. Thanks for joining me. As always, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Let's get to it. All right, so this is my first one, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about this, but again, I've got the backup plan with the plywood in case anything goes wrong. Hopefully just temporary. Anyway, here goes nothing. I'm not entirely sure what I did wrong there, but that could have gone better. So I measured this, and I thought I would have enough to wiggle it in, but it's a little too tight, so I gotta take some off. All right, so that's my first window. It came out pretty well. So I decided to use the top cap. This time we didn't use it on the other one. We had a bit of a gap up top. So I put some a thin layer of insulation at the top, which pushed it up a little bit and allowed that to sit tightly, real nice and tight against that top stop there. Overall, it looks good. We had the same issue with this one as we did with the other one, where there's a little bit of a crack there. I'm gonna push it out a little bit just on this side because I think it's slightly, well, actually it's pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna push it tight just a little bit on the side with shims. I don't have a lot of room here to fit spray foam. So what I'm gonna plan on doing is taking a piece of this little tubing that I've got somewhere on the floor. I can't find it right now. But basically I bought these little pieces of tubing that are slightly smaller in diameter than the spray foam heads. And I find that I have found that I can get spray foam in there pretty well. Yeah, overall I'm pleased. I'm not sure what time it is right now, but that went fairly well, fairly quickly, considering the different things that I had to do to kind of get the window ready. I gotta check the time and figure out if I'm gonna try and attempt to do another one today. Not sure yet, because we're gonna go see the new Mario movie, the kids and the wife and I. So I'm probably just gonna do a few little things today before I have to go. So I'm gonna start cutting back some of this here for where the window would be too big to fit in that space. So basically this is not cut evenly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim a little bit off here like I did with the other one and just get that ready to go. I might do that with the others as well, just to make progress, even though like I can't be putting in a window today because yeah, I don't think I have enough time. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do to wrap up today. So that's gonna do it for me for the day. This was a pretty short day. I didn't start till like 8:30, and it's about 11 now. Had a little bit of prep to do with the windows. Each one, I hope, is gonna be just about the same. Overcame my fear of doing these by myself. This one came out pretty well. Good news is everything that John and I hit on the first one out here. Well, I wouldn't say it's good news, I also hit the same things, but everything that we hit out here, I also hit out there, so I knew what to do, I knew what to expect. So I'm very thankful for his help in helping me kind of figure out how to do this in this house. I think next time I got all the sills prepped. We're definitely gonna put at least one more window in, and then I'm gonna really need to do some cleanup in here because I can't really move around. And then we're probably gonna focus on a few different things. I need more spray foam and some supplies for the windows, so we won't get to those right away. But now that I know how to do them, I know in the future it's not gonna be a big deal. I've got a lot of stuff left to do, as you can probably see. The window guys are here. Sorry, not the window guys, I'm the window guy. The roofing guys are here today. They should finish up today. So that was one of the other big things that I want to get done. And the sewer folks are gonna be here. Well, not sewer folks, the plumbers. The plumbers are gonna be here next week. And they're gonna be replacing that stack and hopefully leaving me with, working drain lines and what have you. So yeah. All right, we're getting there. I think I'm probably gonna do my best to clean up in here and then have Nikki and the kids come over and paint. I just want to make sure all the dust is up, and they're gonna wear masks when they're in here anyway, but I just want to make sure there's no badness in here for them when they do come. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and please like and subscribe.